Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your Word document as a PDF. So friend, here we are going to open our Word document. So here you can see that this is my Word document and all documents are very neat and clean with the good formatting like images, caption, all things we have added over here like heading and all. We want to convert this Word document as a PDF, but we not want to change any formatting and all. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you some advanced method to save your Word document as a PDF. So keep watching, this video is very important for you. You will learn something new, and here we will show you two methods to convert your Word document to PDF. Okay, so first thing first, this is my Word document and we want to convert this file as a PDF, right? We simply click on this file tab which is available on left hand top. You simply click on that, so this file tab will open and you will get many options over here. Okay, so we simply click on this save as button, and after that we will get some options. So here we'll see this is the save as option, and here we are getting two things. One is the drive save options. Here you can simply save this file on cloud, and second option you will see you can simply save this file in your local computer. Okay, so here we want to save this file in local computer, so we are going to simply click on this browse button and then we will do that. So here we are going to click on this browse button, and here it will ask me to save this file in your local computer. So simply click on this Word document and click on this PDF file options, and here you will simply click on this save button and your file will save as a PDF. Okay, so let's see how our file will save. Okay, so select the location where you want to save it, then simply click on this save button. So this file is converted now as a PDF. So here you will see that all things are done and this file is saved as a PDF. Okay, formatting and imaging and all things are showing perfectly as a format. Okay, so this is the first method. Now we are going to see the second method too, how we can convert this Word document as a PDF. Okay, so this is my first method. So friend, now we are going to see the second method to convert your Word document as a PDF. So friend, let's see how that PDF will show you. So this is the sample file which we want to convert as a PDF. Let's open it. So this is my PDF file, and this is my Word document file and we want to convert as a PDF. Okay, so here we are going to show you the new software, that is PDF Gear. You simply search PDF Gear and you will perform this action over here, right? We are going to simply click on this option which is available over here, Word to PDF option. Okay, this software is free of cost, you can use it very easily. So last video we have covered how you can install this software into your Windows computer, so that video will help you. Okay, let's see how we can convert Word to PDF. Simply click on this Word to PDF option, and here we are going to add that file. So this is my Word document. We simply open it, and here you will see that PDF file is added, right? We simply click on this convert button. So here you will see that that file is converted into that PDF. We are going to simply rename it, so that will be easy to understand how this look. We are going to cut this file and paste on the desktop. Okay, so let's close all the things and see how this file is converted. Again, we are going to click on that PDF file, and friend, here you will see that this file is converted into PDF. So by this way you can also convert this Word document as a PDF, and this is a free of cost software which is available for the Windows, so you can easily install it and then you can use it. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can save Word document as a PDF. I hope friend you learned something new into this. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.